So hello guys, welcome to Nhosthy Ghamhing channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag in FIFA 23 PC. So the first step, you open your PC settings. So let's do it. You open settings, you select display. So you go here, you select display, then you select graphics. Selecting graphics, then you select browse. Understand, man is already here. Let me remove that. You select browse, then you select your game file. So after selecting it, it appears here. Then you select options, then you select high performance, and this is a video for my AMD users. So you select AMD software and adrenaline edition. You select the game, then you make sure the wait for vertical refresh is always on. Then you select your filtering, you make sure it is 16x here, then AMD optimized. Make sure your surface format optimization is enabled. So you follow the in-game settings as I'm about to go right into it.